ChatGPT and Google Bard are the two AI chatbots you must have heard about. They brought an immense change in the way we operate now, from web development to digital marketing, from cloud computing to cybersecurity. They are now everywhere. You just name it and they have it. Trust me, the use of these chatbots has changed everything now. If you want to create a complete YouTube video, just ask them and rest assured, they'll take care for your task. Not just that, but if you want to create a search engine optimized content, whether it be for your website or on YouTube, these AI tools can help you with such content. Search engine optimization is not easy. It takes a lot to optimize your content so that people can get to see it on top. But are these AI tools a threat to people engaged in search engine optimization? In this video, we'll not discuss what these AI tools can do for you, but we'll discuss if AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard will take over SEO or not. But before that, if you enjoy watching these videos and find them interesting, please subscribe to our channel because we bring the best videos for you daily. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a new video. So let's start this video with a small introduction to search engine optimization. The goal of SEO is to make a website more visible and bring in income from natural traffic. It entails crafting excellent content for a specific audience and optimizing a website for search engines. Online marketers employ AI to accomplish various tasks such as keyword research, content optimization, and link building more quickly. Businesses can boost their ranks and increase their revenue by using AI in SEO strategies. Additionally, by automating routine processes, it can save time. And so let's talk about SEO developments with ChatGPT and Google Bard. Undoubtedly, the influence AI is anticipated to have on search engines has been highlighted by the recent launches of Google's Bard and ChatGPT-assisted Bing. Although these recent advancements pose a severe danger, they also present opportunities for digital marketers to seize. In the world full of SEO, things change all the time, and SERPs are never stable. The page that a search engine displays as a result of a user's search query is known as the search engine result page, or SERP. This is why it's important to be able to change with the times and benefit from new technological developments. Digital marketers increasingly use AI for keyword research, heading ideas, and content optimizations. This is so they can concentrate on the jobs that need human interaction. Small sites may produce original SEO-friendly material much more quickly with ChatGPT than they could without it, for instance. However, it's vital to remember that this is only a portion of the process. It can assist you with creating and providing meta descriptions and titles, keyword research, heading recommendations for pages and posts, article ideation, and composing copy. So let's talk about the role of AI in keyword research. Every business utilizes AI to increase productivity, automate labor-intensive operations, and make data-driven choices. Numerous industries including finance and banking, e-commerce, retail, media, gaming, research, space exploration, transportation, automotive, medicine, manufacturing, security, and more uses it in various ways. The Google AdWords Keyword Planner and the Google Trends tool are two of the most widely used free artificial intelligence keyword research tools. You may find keywords with a lot of search volume and little competition using these tools. Another crucial aspect to take into account when choosing keywords for your website is intent. This is so because users frequently have a purpose while searching for goods and services. Although it might be challenging to ensure your website appears high on search engine result pages, especially with Google's algorithm adjustments, SEO companies and marketers must constantly check their websites to make sure that their websites are not falling in the SERPs. They can use AI to automatically analyze search traffic statistics and website content to spot potential issues before they arise. They can then address these problems and offer consistent organic rankings. This is a game changer for SEO companies and marketers who relies on manual SEO efforts to get traffic to their websites. But the main question is, will ChatGPT or Google Bard take over SEO? The answer is clearly a big no. Why? Chatbots like ChatGPT and Bard cannot replace SEO. They can help generate content for your website or video, but SEO involves more than just content creation. It includes tasks like keyword research, link building, and technical SEO, where you'll need an SEO expert because chatbots can't decide how to build links and which links will get you more organic traffic. SEO is constantly changing due to search engine algorithms. Search engines like Google and Bing regularly update their algorithms, making SEO a dynamic field. SEO requires human judgment and decision making. The end of discussion. Because determining which keywords to target and which links to build required expertise and human decision making. A chatbot can't do it. In fact, the real power of search engine optimizations lies not in their mechanical abilities, but in their creativity and ability to understand what people are searching for and why. That's something that AI technologies may never be able to replicate, and it's what makes human SEO experts such a valuable asset. So while it's true that AI technologies may eventually be able to take over some of the aspects of SEO, there's still plenty of rooms for human experts to thrive. Whether you are a seasoned SEO professional or just starting out, there's still a place for you in this exciting and ever-evolving field. Let's keep an eye on the developments in AI technology and see how it can augment and enhance our skills rather than replacing them entirely. Who knows, with the power of AI and human expertise combined, the future of SEO may be even brighter than we can imagine. So with that, we have come to the end of this discussion. Although everyone can have different opinions on this, but I hope you guys must have got an idea about why these AI tools are not a threat to SEO. If you still have any questions or doubts, let us know in the comment section below and our team of experts will help you at the earliest. Thank you so much for being here today. We'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.